Let's go. We're going to try to just catch a quick bag. Let's share the screen real quick. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having an amazing week so far. Yesterday we were busy. We were not able to get on. But again, obviously being able to utilize the skill in that manner, we're able to obviously get in and out of the market as we'd like. Okay. So let's just wait for some people to jump on. I definitely like this zone right here. I definitely like the 35 550 zone, 35 550 zone. Okay, that's definitely where I'd like her to come back to. Okay, and obviously we're pretty late. We're about 45 minutes later than we normally trade. So what's up, Reggie? Let's go. So I'm going to wait for her to bounce back to this 35 550. If she gives it to us, great, we'll get in. If not, we're not gonna rush anything. Again, one of the things, guys, is obviously, I think the biggest thing is just under leveraging. Making sure that you're under leverage, and then also just being very, very patient and waiting for that right setup. Do you know what I mean? And that's what we're going to definitely do. So we're going to wait for her to drop about 25 points, see if she comes down about 25 points. And the reason I like that area is if you go out to the entire time frame, you'll see that she just consolidated here, broke down, and then this was an area that she just broke. Okay, so again, if she can come down into this wick area again, okay, if she can come down into this wick area again, that's where I'd like to get in. And again, when we go out to a higher time zone, we're able to actually see what the real move looked like, okay, and what had happened in the past. And then obviously we jump down to a 5 minute to obviously be able to trade right now, or you can go down to a 3 minute or 1 minute. Okay, so again, if we look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, we can see really kind of where she last broke. Okay, so obviously she respected here. She then fell down here, respected this zone here. She then flew up here. She broke through, and then she retested this area. But if you come down to a 1 hour, you can see consolidation here, okay? And so obviously out of consolidation, there's always a break, either to the upside or the downside. There was a downside. She then retested, okay? She retested, respected, fell down about 50 points. Then she broke through, okay? And now we saw her fall back down. And if you run a fib on this, which I did earlier, it is in the zone of the 6 point, the 5 point, the 50 zone, the 660. Let's just show you where it's at. Let's just run this fib real quick. The bottom, the top. Okay, the 0.5, the 0.618. Okay, so again, as you can see, that 35550 is actually the 0.618. So again, if we can just be patient and let her come down, we are good to go. Okay, so again, we just need to be patient, guys. Let's go down to the 5. Let's just be patient. Okay, so again, if, like I said, if she gives it to us, great. If not, then we'll move on. We'll move on for the day. All right. How did everybody do yesterday? Did people trade yesterday? I did not trade at all yesterday. It was actually one of the first days in a while that I hadn't traded. I didn't even trade on my own, to be honest. I actually was just very busy with some real estate stuff and just was not able to get on at all. But again, it happens. That's the beauty of this is again, if we're not able to get on today, there's always tomorrow. There's always the next day. And so again, I got on. I wasn't going to go live, but then again, I got on. I saw the charts, and was like, hey, let's do a quick session. So again, we're just gonna wait to see if she can drop here. See if she can drop down. All right, let's go US30. Looks like she just flew up. See if she respects this or breaks through. We do have 2 minutes, 40 seconds left on this candle here. This is also going to lead us to a new 15 candle, the 945 candle. Okay, so let's see what happens on that candle. Looks like she did respect that, fell back down. Good job, Reggie. Let's go. All right, so let's go down to this 5 minute. Let's get ready. See if she can come down a little bit more. I want her to come down into these wicks. I don't even necessarily hit that point, but again, if we can break below these bodies, that's where I'd like to get in at. Let's get ready here. We got 1 minute left on this candle. See if we can get a big push down. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, come back down. Come down a little bit more. I'd like you into the 60s. So right now we're 76. I'd like her to come down into at least the 60s. So 75, 73, 74. $72. Shot back up to 78. So if we could slam down into the 60s, that's where I'd like to be. And again, when I say 60s, I'm looking at the last two numbers. Okay, I'm looking at the last two numbers. So right now we're at 78. And again, I'm strictly looking at MT4 now. So I'm literally looking at MT4 now. Okay, I'm literally looking at MT4. So obviously 76, 77. I'd like to get into the 60. So if we can get into under 60, I would say like 68. That would be great. If she could slam down into 68, 67, somewhere around there, that'd be great. She just shot up to 83. So again, we can get a quick bag. We can get a quick bag. You know, almost 10 points we can get if we just get in at the right spot. Okay, so we need to drop about 10 points in order for us to get in. $83, $82, $84, $86, $81. Come down a little bit further. 87. Oh. $87. 85. So again, guys, we're just being patient. $89. Look at that. She ran up. All right, here we go. 78, 79. Need about a 10-point drop. Like I said, I want to get into the 60s. I don't want to compromise that. So we get down into 68, 67, somewhere around there. That'd be great. So we got 31 seconds left on this candle. $94. We are seeing mad respect on this area right here. Here we go. Let's see if this is our drop. My MT4 just froze up. Let me log in, log back out. All right, here we go. My MT4 just locked up. I cannot take a trade right now. Let me restart this. All right. I had to restart my phone and everything. All right, so we're at 87. So if we could drop down about 20 points into the 60s, that'd be great. $68, $69 would be great. Anything lower than that, I don't think that we'll get lower than that, guys. My MT4 just keeps freezing up. So again, like, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to get in this trade if she comes down, but we're going to see what's going on. Let's see, let me grab. Okay, here we go. All right, we're moving now. All right, so we're 91. We're still up here. We're still up here. We're still up here, so we want to come down. We want to come down into this area, at least, I would say 68, 69. If we can get into this area here, let me just draw this line of where I'd like her to kind of come down to. Okay, this is where I'm looking at right here. right, this is kind of where I'm looking at right here. This could be our drop right here. And I will open up 2 trades. I will open up 2 trades at this area, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Come down. Come down. Come down. We got a minute 20 left on this candle. Come down a little bit further. All right, here we go. $72, $73. Boom, I'm in. See if she comes back down so I get another one. And I am really under leveraged. So again, I'm going to try to get at least 10 points. Okay, I'm in again. All right, so we're just gonna be patient now. We're gonna be patient, and let's see if we just get a quick bag. Ah, there we go. Yes, yes. Let's go. All right, we're in. We got 2 trades open, and we're just going to be patient and wait. She came down into our zone, and now we're just going to be patient and wait for her to climb up. And like I said, guys, we are under leverage. So again, we're just going to be patient and wait for this big climb. We're in profit right now. We're in profit right now. We're in big profit right now. We're in big profit right now. We are in profit right now. That was a great entry, guys. That was a great entry. We are in a big profit right now, guys. Who else is in that trade? Who else is in that trade? Who else is in this trade? I got 3 trades open, guys. I just took one right there. I just took one at that bottom right there. So again, we're going to let these ride. I am under leveraged. So again, that's why I took that third entry. Just because, again, where I'm leveraged at, like she needs to drop like 100 points, 100 points plus in order for it, you know, this to do anything to my account. Let's go. Pull up US30. Do your thing, baby. Let's go. Now we're just going to be patient and just let her ride. There we go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. We got 14 seconds left on this candle, guys. Open up a new candle. Let's go. Four minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle. We got 9 minutes on this 15. Let's go. We are in profit. Let's go, US30. Pull up, baby. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Pull up. So again, guys, we're just being patient. We're in 3 trades right now. We're in at the bottom here of this candle here, and then we're here. We have about 9-point pullback on 2 trades. Let's go. Let's go. US30. Pull up. Pull up US30. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're in major profit, guys. We are in major profit. We're in major profit. We're just gonna keep a hold of these, and then we're gonna move some. We're gonna move some. We're gonna enter in a stop loss in a minute. Once he's getting past a point that at least once we get above 20 points, once we get 20 points above entry, I will put a stop loss. And we're going to see how high we can ride these, okay? Let's go. Let's go. We are in profit. And again, what are we going after today? We're going after 1%. We're going after 1%. That's what we're going after. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're still in profit. We're still in profit. Still in profits. Still in profit. We are still in profit. Still in profit. Just waiting for this pull up. What's going on with these headphones? Let's go. All right, there we go. Come on, US30, let's go. Pull up. Let's go. Let's pull up US30. Let's go, US30. Pull up. Let's go. Let's see, what are we doing here? Come on, we got 2 minutes left in this candle. Let's pull up US30. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get up there. I don't like how we broke this level right here. We'll see if we respect it in the next 2 minutes or so. We got 1:47 left on this candle. Again, we just broke this level. I don't like that. We didn't respect it. We actually broke it, closed a little bit below it on the 5 minute. We're gonna see if we're just trying to trick us, and see if we can pull up and see if we close above it. Okay, we got 1:24 left on this candle. We got 1:24 left on this candle. So we're gonna see what happens in the next minute or so. See if we can get a big push to the upside. Let's go, US30. Come on, big push. Let's go. I'm not panicking. She did pull a little bit further down than what I expected. Again, she did break this. So again, we got 22 seconds left. She did break this here. But again, if we can close above for the next 16 seconds, that would be great. I like the movement on this candle right here. Let's go. 8 seconds left. Let's go. Keep pushing up, US30. Come on, let's go. Push up. Come on, US30. Let's pull up. Let's go, US30. Come on, pull up. This is why we're okay, guys. Let me show you. This is why we're okay. Why? Because we're in that golden zone. We're in that golden zone for that retracement. Do you know what I mean? Look at that. Okay. Again, that's why we're not stressing, because we're in that golden zone right here, that 0.618, that 0.618, the 0.50, and the 0.618. We're right there. Now, if we start breaking down here, then we're in trouble. But we're good right now. We're gonna get this retracement right now. All right. So let's get rid of this here. And guess what? I have my TPs at this 35,600. So I'm going to get this whole 50. Let's go. I'm going to get this whole 50. I got 3 trades open. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Let's go. Pull up. Let's go. Let's pull up. Pull up. Let's go. Get up there. Let's go. Let's go. We're about to be in profit. Let's go. Get up there. Let's go. Let's go, US30. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, US30. Get up there. Yes, sir. We're in profit. Let's go. Let's keep climbing. We need 25 more points. That's where we're at right here. We're going to take this thing all the way to 36,600. 36,600. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Keep pushing up. Let's go. Come on. 17 seconds left on this candle, guys. 17 seconds left on this candle. This is also a new 15 opening. Let's go. Let's go. Let's open this 15 green. Come on. Let's go, US30. Yes, sir. Look at that 15. Let's go. Let's correct all this. Let's correct all this. Let's get up here to this 35,650. Let's get up here to this 35,650. Let's go. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I do. Like I said, this is my session. Like I said, anywhere between 9 o'clock a.m. and Central Standard Time and 11 Central Standard Time is really my trading period. So again, I got about a half hour more on these charts. Like I said, I got 3 trades open right now that we're literally just just waiting for her to pull up. And like I said, she may take a little bit longer than this half hour because obviously we got in a little bit late. But again, no worries. You know, we're going to get this bag. And again, we got an amazing entry. And we're just waiting for her to pull up. Like I said, based off of retractment, I feel that we're going to correct all of this. I do have TP set at 35,600. But again, if I'm able to catch it, I will definitely, you know, move my stop loss. I will definitely put a stop loss, and I will definitely continue up to this 35,650 if I'm able to. But we'll see. We'll see how. Again, we're trading obviously going into some zones that we don't normally go into, but again, you know, I have some stuff going on to where I definitely am able to kind of keep an eye on it. So we'll see what happens. Little intraday trade, you know what I mean? So again, if we can, you know, if we can close out you know, one of them and let one of them ride, then we'll definitely do that. And again, like I said, guys, like, you know, just looking at different ways of how we can run this market. We obviously jumped in a little bit late today. She's you know, kind of consolidating, kind of moving in this area here. But like I said, if we can get her to jump, and we can get her to correct all of this here, okay? Again, will it happen within the next half hour? Anything's possible. I mean, we've seen her move, you know, 50 points, 60 points in, you know, in a minute, in seconds. So again, you know, we'll be patient and wait. We'll be patient and wait. Let's go, US30, pull up. Let's go. So again, we're just gonna be patient and wait. We're obviously in 3 trades right now, okay? She did pull down about 20 points further than what we anticipated, okay? But again, we're under leveraged. We are very under leveraged. So again, that's why I was able to open up 3 trades, okay? And we're still under leverage doing so. And we're just waiting for her to correct. We're just waiting for her to correct this big drop. And if you pull the fib out, okay, if you pull the fib out on this higher time frame, we are actually in the golden zone right now. Okay, that's why again, I'm not concerned. I'm not worried. Okay, if we pull this fib out, okay, we are right at that 0.618 area. 0.618 area. We are in that golden zone right now. Okay. So again, you can pull this down if you'd like. Pull it up to, I mean, wherever you want to pull this, you can do whatever you'd like with it. Honestly, I like to go from body to body. But again, you can go from wick to wick if you'd like. I mean, there's not a right or wrong way. There's not a right or wrong way. If we go wick to wick, let's see what that looks like. Look at that. We tapped that 0.618. We tapped that 0.618, and we're moving up now. Okay. So again, we're in that golden zone. We're in that golden zone. So that's why I just wait patiently. Okay, we saw that golden zone earlier. We saw that golden zone earlier. And that's why we're just going to be patient right now. Let's go US30. Let's pull up. All right, here we go. Let's pull up. Let's pull up. Let's go US30. We're about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. Let's go US30. Pull up. Let's go. Let's go US30. All right, let's go. Let's go US30. She's obviously just bouncing off this area, guys. Just consolidating right here. Just consolidating right here. We just need to pull up. And we need to break this level here. We need to break this level here and continue the upside. All right. Let's go. So again, guys, we'll be on for 20 more minutes. I will definitely still be in this trade though, but we will be on for 20 more minutes. So we'll be on this live for about 20 more minutes, and then we will definitely, stay in this trade, finish this thing out. Let's go US30, pull up. All right, so we got a minute 35 left on this candle. Let's go US30. Come on, pull up. Stop playing around. We are hitting a ceiling right here. We are hitting a ceiling right here on these higher time frames. We are running into these ceilings here, into these floors. So I'm hoping that we'll push back up here. Come on, US30. Right on, Mike's House of Mods in the house. Let's go. All right, so we got about 15 minutes left on this session, guys, and then obviously I'm going to stay in this trade and wait for this thing to correct and pull up. But obviously, my session is 9 a.m. Central Standard Time to about 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And again, we're just going to monitor this trade. We did come on a little bit late today, and so we're just going to just kind of hang out and you know. Obviously, we're going to wait for her to pull back up and make this correction. Let's check out the zone. Let's go. Let's go. US30 pull up. Pull up. We're obviously just waiting on a correction, guys. So we got 10 minutes left on this session, and then we will be done with this session. I will see you guys in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. We're obviously getting a pull up. We're obviously getting pull right now. Let's go, US30. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's go, US30. So we got about 10 minutes left on the session, guys. There we go. Let's go, US30. Climb up. Let's go. Obviously, as what Mike House of Mods was saying, is obviously, as you can see, the dollar is dropping. The dollar has a it's hit a supply here, okay, and is dropping. And obviously, as a result of that, we're seeing US30 go bullish. Okay. So again, those are some things that you can definitely watch as well. Honestly, guys, like I don't do a whole lot of intraday. This is probably definitely, again, I did get in a little bit late on the session. Usually between the 8:45 candle and 9 o'clock, we can get in and out. So again, I don't pay a whole lot of attention to the DXY, but again, it is, obviously true. Obviously there's correlation between the dollar and gold as well. So again, some great things to definitely look at. It is definitely something that we're going to definitely start doing a little bit more of, as far as just being a little bit more patient, being a little bit more selective. But again, it's definitely interesting on how, the dollar plays with the US30, plays with gold, things like that. But again, we literally, we simply just scalp gold. We scalp US30. That's all that we do. But again, obviously you can look at the DXY, and you can see how it's come against the supply and how it's fallen. And then obviously you could see as a result of that, how US30 kind of goes bullish as a result. Okay. So again, we'll see kind of where the dollar ends. And we'll kind of just keep an eye on it. And again, like I said, I don't take a whole lot of intraday trades on US30. Literally, it's scalps. It's literally 5 to 10 point scalps. Obviously, I'm leveraged very low. So again, I definitely would like a bigger. I'd like more points, and that's obviously what I'm looking at. Is if we can correct to this point here, to this 35,600. That's obviously a nice intraday trade, especially where I got in. That would be about close to 50-point trade on 3 entries, 150 points. Not a bad trade at all. And then obviously, if we can, again, I just don't know. I don't like to leave trades open. I like to definitely be in front of my trades as I'm trading. So again, if I'm able to stay in front of my trades, then again, if I can, kind of, trail the trade with moving obviously a stop loss. I don't have any stop losses or anything right now. I have no stop losses. I do have some TPs up here. Actually, my TPs are way up here, actually. But again, I usually just market execution, guys, and usually she moves 5-10 points and we're in and out. Like I said, I will trail a stop, as she breaks 20-30 points. And, we're shooting for this 35,600. So we'll see how it goes. We have just a couple minutes left on this session. Thanks so much, Mike's House of Mods. I appreciate you. Appreciate you showing up, getting on. But yeah, again, it's very important to again, there's not a right or wrong. It's really kind of what your style is, what works best for you, and again, really being persistent, being disciplined, being consistent, and really sticking to your strategy. Okay. We are bullish right now. We are bullish. We are bullish on one of our trades right now. Okay, we are in profit. And again, guys, I can handle that pullback just due to the fact that, again, I'm under leveraged. Okay, so again, being under leveraged, I can handle that pullback without any problem at all, without any danger of blowing this funded account. And again, I've become more consistent in that area as well. It's just taking small jabs versus kind of looking for that big right hook, or that big home run, that Hail Mary, but just taking small jabs, just moving the ball, getting those first downs, base hits. And again, that's the name of the game. Everybody wants that home run. Everybody wants that Hail Mary. Everybody wants to, get that touchdown on the first play. But again, if we can be consistent in moving the arrow, moving the ball, base hits, getting on base, again, any sport or any anything that we play, any game that we play, if we can be consistent in small moves, we will win. We will absolutely win. So again, we're going to shut down this session in about 4 minutes. Patience is key. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. We're going to shut down this session, this live in about 4 minutes. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys jumping on. Again, I simply just trade during this area, and obviously I just turn the camera on, and again, I allow you guys to definitely just see what I'm doing in my trades in action. Again, I'm not an educator. Again, it's more of just really just showing you guys the opportunities. This is a skill set that if you take the time to learn, I'm telling you, it will absolutely change your life. I trade probably every day, Monday through Thursday, anywhere from, again, depending on how our trades go, anywhere from a half hour to maybe an hour and a half. Again, just obviously depending on when I get in. I did get in a little bit later, so obviously, the moves were kind of made already this morning. For a scalp, I am in an intraday, 3 intraday trades right now that we've been in for the last, I would say about the last hour. It took us about 20 minutes to get in, but once we got in, we're sitting, and we're being patient. All right. So again, we're waiting for US30 to kind of continue to move. Okay. And obviously one of the things Mike's House of Mods kind of brought up is obviously the DXY. Okay. Hit a supply, fell. Okay. And as a result of that fall, we see US30 climb. Okay. We see US30 climb as a result of the dollar fall. All right. So again, guys, patience is key. We're going to be off the session in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go, US30. Let's go. All right, guys, we're about to be done with this session. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Again, God bless each and every one of you guys. We will be on tomorrow around the 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, hopefully before then. But again, if, we don't look down on anyone, okay, unless we're going to reach down and we're going to obviously lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. See you guys at the top. Let's go. Have an amazing day. God bless. Take care.